Hi, I'm Ismail. My pleasure to meet you. I'm fresh graduated architect who has, that clean power and mentality even to make creative designs. I, that can achieve, the goal of his clients and at the same time help us or help the humanity at the same time, let's say, to be or to build a better world. Actually, I worked before in Ahmed Akbel company. It's an architectural and management company in Northern Cyprus. You can check it out on internet if you want. And even though I do have a question in my mind, if you don't mind. Did you, or have you ever thought about your future home? How it will be? Like, did you dream before that big house that has amazing swimming pool or that brilliant balconies views? I think you just started to think about it. You know, anyway, I will be really happy just to help you out while you are designing to have your own home or a company. You can check my work in Instagram account. It's an architect smile. And please do not be hesitate even just to contact me at the moment that you need me. Really, it will be my pleasure just to help you. Even if you just have some question, I will be really happy just to answer this question. And please do not be hesitate just to contact me. I'm waiting your call. You can check my work or you can contact me at the same time from my Instagram account or my YouTube channel. It's an architect smile. Check it out.